This is the 2019 Avantree Oasis Plus long-range 2-in-1 Bluetooth hub. This video focuses on using the Oasis Plus as a transmitter alongside your TV. If you'd like to learn more about using it in other ways, please refer to the links in our description below. Upon unboxing, this is what you'll find. Here's a 360-degree view of the Oasis Plus transmitter. To set up, connect a power source to the transmitter using the USB cable we provided, like this. Once connected, flip the switch to TX.
Power on. Bluetooth transmitter mode with active bypass. Pairing mode. Please put your device into pairing mode and wait.
For first-time use, the transmitter will automatically enter pairing mode upon turning on. For non-first-time use, press and hold the Bluetooth icon for 2 seconds to enter pairing mode.
Pairing mode. Please put your device into pairing mode and wait.
Next, get your headphones into pairing mode as well. If you're not sure how, please refer to your headphones' user manual. With both devices in pairing mode, keep them close to each other and give it a few seconds. You should see the A indicator on the Oasis Plus stop flashing and hear "Connected, ready for use," indicating that they've successfully paired. Before connecting anything to your TV, check and see which option your TV supports: optical, auxiliary, or RCA. Any one of the three will work. First, the optical port. For this option, simply connect the transmitter to your TV using the optical cable we provided. You'll see the OPT indicator on the transmitter light up. If the OPT indicator is not on, short press the AUX OPT switch once.
Optical mode. Please ensure optical cable is connected.
Next, go to your TV settings menu and set your audio format to PCM. Next, we'll talk about the auxiliary port. If you have this, it's just as simple. Connect the transmitter to your TV using the auxiliary cable we provided. You should see the AUX indicator light up. If it doesn't, press the AUX OPT switch once.
Auxiliary mode. Please ensure auxiliary cable is connected.
Now you should be able to hear your TV through your headphones. If not, please check to make sure that your TV speaker has been set to headset. Finally, we'll talk about the RCA port. For this option, please only use the ports labeled Audio Out. The other ones will not work. To get going, connect the RCA to AUX converter cable that we provided to the auxiliary cable, which is also provided, and then connect your TV to the transmitter using that. You should see the AUX indicator on the transmitter light up. If it doesn't, simply press the AUX OPT button once.
Auxiliary mode. Please ensure auxiliary cable is connected.
Now you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to make sure your TV speaker is set to external speaker. If you have only one optical port on your TV and it's already occupied, please refer to the video regarding Oasis Plus's unique bypass function. Thanks for watching.